Student, today we will solve a practical problem of NPV. This is very important question according to the exam point of view. The question is like that: initial investment in a project, that is cash outflow, is 20,000 rupees with no salvage value. It means at the end of the life of the project you will get zero from that machine. Life of the project is 10 years. Cash inflows are as follows and rate of discount is 10%. You are needed to be find out NPV. Okay. What is given? Cash inflow is given. That is cash inflow is given. Rate of discount is 10%. You need to be find out the PVF, present value factor, at the rate of 10%. You can go through for table, PVF table, or you can solve it on your calculator. Once again, initial investment means cash outflow. Cash outflow of project equals to 20,000 rupees. Salvage value 0. Life of the project is 10 years. Cash inflows are as follows. In the first year 2,000, second year 2,000, from third year to till 10th year you are getting 2,500 each year. Rate of discount is 10%. First of all, we know that cash outflow is 20,000 rupees. I have noted down the values of cash inflow in the first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, 7, 8, 9, 10. That is 2,500, 2,500 and till 10th year 2,500. Now we will find out the value of PVF factor at the rate of 10%. That is for first year 0.909, for second year 0.826, for third year 0.751, for fourth year 0.683, fifth year 0.621, sixth year that is 0.564, seventh year that is 0.513, eighth year 0.466, 5 आ रहा है तो 0.467, 0.424 and 0.386. These are the value of 1 rupees. Discounting rate at the 1 rupees for the at the rate of 10%. 10% डिस्काउंट रेट पर ये 1 रुपए की वैल्यू है. या तो हम इसको टेबल से फाइंड आउट कर सकते हैं या फिर हम जो है इसको सीधा सीधा कैलकुलेटर से 1 डिवाइडेड बाय 1.1 कर इक्वल कर हम इसको फाइंड आउट कर सकते हैं. नाउ व्हाट वी नीड प्रेजेंट वैल्यू. प्रेजेंट वैल्यू, how we will find out the present value of cash inflow? Present value of cash inflow. This is column number 1, this is column number 2, this is column number 3 and this is column number 4. It means column number 4 equals to column number 2 multiplied by column number 3. It means cash inflow will be multiplied by present value factor at the rate of 10%. First year 0.909 multiplied by 2000. The value of this is 1818. Then 2000 multiplied by 0.826, that is 1652. 2500 multiplied by 0.751, 1877.5. 0.683 multiplied by 2500, 1707.5, 2500 into 0.621, 15552.5, 2500 into 0.564, that is 1410. 2500 multiplied by 0.513, 1282.5, 0.467 into 2500, 1167.5, 424 multiply by 2500, 1060, and 2500 multiply by 0.386, that is 965. That would be the present value of cash inflow. Only the present value of cash inflow. 5, 5, 10, 10, 20.5, 2, 10, 12, 19, 26, 28, 37, 30, 42, 4, 5, 9, 16, 21, 22, 36, 42, 48, 4, 12, 18, 26, 33, 38, 42, 44, 45, 54, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. That is 1482.5. Once again 1818 plus 1652 plus 1877.5 plus 1707.5 plus 1552.5 plus 1410 plus 1282.5 plus 1167.5 plus 1060 plus 965 plus 1449 that is the present value of cash inflow is 14492. Present value of cash inflow is 14492.5. Present value of cash outflow was 20,000 because the initial investment of the project is 20,000. So we will deduct from it 5507.5, that is a negative value. This would be the called NPV. NPV is how much of this project? 5507.5. It is in the negative, so we can say that we will reject the project. Why? Because NPV of this project is negative. Value of cash inflow is 14492.5. Value of cash outflow is 20,000. So what we will do? We will reject this project.